yung sumigaw yan. Ano, kantayin mo pa natin makabayo. Kaya ko. Anong song? Gusto ko yung ano, ayan yung spaceship. Dali na. Ito lang ang tanging paraan para makaligtas tayo.
Para sila magkapatid dalawa. Ano? Sino? Magkawin sila.
Gusto mo yung Just Give Me a Reason? Just give me a reason, just a... Alam niyo yan? Na pusong bato. Hindi, ano yung song? Matagal ka pa ba kasi may outing kami eh. Nakatoka ako sa pagpapalaman eh. Labang ka. O, yun naman pala eh. Tulungan kita. Eh, may pinagdadaanan ako. May problema rin ako. Unahin ko pa ba yung problema mo? Okay. Oy, eto, napakamahirap po na awitin itong labang ka. So, I think deserve niya ang bonggang palakpakan. Yung may kasamang hiyawa. Yung mas masaya! Next time, ladies and gentlemen, the team Labang Ka! Here we go, come on! Come on, everybody! Lambang sarap, lambang sarap, lambang sarap, lambang sarap, sa Jollibee, lambang sarap, lambang
see the stars all the way from me.
Sino po ang nilakad?
And you said, don't go or knowing no way. I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm falling off me to the end. And I know on this perfect course, words that conjure my through my tears. But I feel punchy eyes. You're the one I need, 'cause the only thing I see. Come on, baby, it's you. I don't wanna kiss you, I don't wanna know it's yours. But I need to make everything stop. Finally, my love won't touch. Oh, come on, baby, if my love won't talk, talk, if my love won't
Pag-ibigas na looban sa akin.
Boy, your lips taste like a night of champagne. As I do again and again and again and again. Now everybody asks me why I'm falling out of me to end. But I know all these perfect noise words that conjure right through my tears. And they push me back, baby, it's you. You're the one I know, you're the one I need. You're the only
Di ba? Ang galing niya kumanta. So, sa ginawa mo, nagmukha akong tanga rito. So, I think wala na po akong trabaho. So, balik na po ako sa pagiging marshal. Ate, ang galing mo. Sumasali ka ba sa mga singing contest? Sumasali ka? Ang galing mo kumanta. May ground. You deserve it. Kasi nalungkot ang itumba sa ginawa mo. Ano na lang gagawin ko sa ginawa mo? Ngayon, may magre-request pa ba sa akin? Ate, kumakanta. Do you sing?